Welcome back. Now back to a story we told you about at the top of the newscast. A Travis County judge declared an Austin mother, Carmen Mejia, innocent after she was previously convicted of murder. He ordered her released, but she remains in jail tonight.
Sheriff's deputies immediately took her back into custody after the hearing because of a federal immigration detainer. Now, we showed you parts of that emotional hearing. Mejia's 3 daughters were all under the age of 8 when she was convicted and then later adopted. They were able to hug their mother before she was taken back into custody. Mejia's lawyers here say that federal immigration authorities have full discretion here.
Yeah, and the clock is ticking. That detainer gives them another 24 hours to either take her into ICE custody or the sheriff can release her. KVUE's Adam Bennett is here. And Adam, she was living in the United States legally when she was charged with this crime.
That's right, Ashley. Mejia came here from Honduras 30 years ago after being granted temporary protected status. Now, her lawyers say she lost that legal status because of this wrongful conviction. They say deporting her would make an already tragic situation worse. It was a hug more than 20 years in the making. Carmen Mejia's daughters embracing their mother, a woman the youngest told the court Monday afternoon they never got to know.
The only thing I truly knew about her was her name. I knew she was in prison, but I didn't know where or if she was even still in Texas.
About 2 years ago, new testimony and new evidence convinced Travis County prosecutors and the state's highest criminal appeals court that the death of a baby in Mejia's care in 2003 was an accident. On Monday, Judge David Wahlberg declared Mejia innocent, dropped her charges, and ordered her released.
Ms. Mejia, I wish that signing this order here this afternoon would be the end of this tragedy. Unfortunately, I don't believe it will be.
Moments later, an immigration detainer forced Mejia back into county custody as her lawyers urged her release.
ICE has discretion to allow Ms. Mejia to walk free.
That path to freedom started when former bailiff Art Guerrero became convinced Mejia's case needed a second look. He spoke with his judge, Charlie Baird.
It stuck with him, and he kept saying, what can we do? What can we do? And at some point, because of his persistence, I reached out to the Innocence Project.
Now, with Mejia's threat of deportation after exoneration, Baird told me he has never seen any case like this. Neither has V. Nantaveth.
It's heartbreaking.
The Austin immigration lawyer says Mejia is starting from scratch.
There's no automatic mechanism from the immigration side that would then just restore her immigration status.
For now, Mejia's legal team is building the case.
And I want us to spend holidays together, birthdays.
To let Mejia rebuild her life here. Nantaveth told us Mejia's possible options could include re-registering for temporary protected status, filing for humanitarian parole, or even cancellation of removal. Now, we reached out to ICE and Department of Homeland Security. We are still working to get a response on what exactly happens next in Mejia's case. Ashley and Mark.